Withdrawing money from Facebook to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account link to your payment information. Step 2. Navigate to Facebook Pay. Go to the settings or menu section of your Facebook account. Look for the option labeled Facebook Pay or Payments to manage your payment methods. Step 3. Link your bank account. If you haven't already, link your bank account to your Facebook Pay. Enter your bank details as prompted, ensuring all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Initiate the withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, find the option to withdraw funds. Select the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Confirm and wait for processing. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw money from Facebook to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for assistance.